Hi, my little ponies. Yan, tawag ni mama ko yan. Mama Vice. Hi, everyone. Welcome to my vlog. And this vlog I'm going to go to my friend and I want to meet him now. Because I miss him. Oh my God. I miss she. Yes, guys. And ang dami kong pimples. Ang ganda ko. Sorry for sorry for annoying each other. Kasi I have to pupunta lang po ako. May pa-explain pa. Please guys, support nyo yung mga TikTok dance ko dito sa YT. Because I don't really deserve it. I really deserve more. I deserve more than in my more likes. So guys, thank you. Thank you for supporting me and I really appreciate it. Appreciate it, Char. Oo nga. So, hi guys. I got what you need. Wait lang, ba't nawala yung tugtog ko? Nag-music kasi ako. Ganun. Give me one moment in time. And the answer is all it could be. One moment in time. I will be, I will be, I will be here. Nalobat po yung phone ko. Ay, yung wifi ko pala. Sorry, sorry, sorry. Sorry, sorry, store. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please click the bell para update kayo sa mga susunod pang vlog ko. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye. Love you all.